Hi guys, to receive this Lavatrum kitchen faucet for repair purposes, it comes with all the installation instructions. So let's open the box and we'll see it comes very well protected with this foam, and this is a proper faucet, okay? So you can see you have to press this down like this. Okay, you have the normal mode like this, but if you press this button you have like a shower mode, and with this button you stop the water from going. Okay, it has obviously its weight, so this goes back to its place. So let's go ahead and install it and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It looks really nice. You can get it out to clean. It goes back up and you can select cold or hot water with this level, okay? And it's really nice. You have three different sprayer modes. This is the first one. The second one is like this helix style. It's really nice. And you also got this one that is, well, just support like this, okay? You've got movement like this, which is really nice. You can see. So it's really nice faucet. The three sprayer modes is great. So I will really recommend it. It's perfect for your kitchen sink or wherever you want to place it, okay? So I will really recommend it. See ya!